My name's Tony Winted. I'm a video journalist at Associated Press. I've been a journalist for more than 30 years, and I can tell you that a union is an incredibly important thing in journalism. The first and most important reason is that unions actually protect quality journalism. The ability to be independent, to have a voice at the workplace is just as important in terms of your job as it is in the larger nation where we have freedom of speech, freedom of association. A press, a news organization really can't be truly free unless the people who are working for that organization also have some kind of security, some kind of freedom to tell the stories, to report the truth. And so that's an incredibly important reason in the field of journalism for reporters to be reporters, videographers, photographers, editors, you name it. It's an important reason for those folks to be in a union because it really is democracy in the workplace. And of course, one of the things that we do is we strive to increase the standards by which professionals are compensated. We believe that quality journalism begins with attracting and retaining top quality people to the jobs that are involved in reporting and disseminating the news. Without that kind of a reference, without that kind of a standard, the notion of journalism as we understand it in the United States, eventually would start to sink. So it's a really important thing. Our union, the Communications Workers of America, whether it's the Newspaper Guild or NABET, works very hard at establishing fair working conditions, understanding that every employer has a business to run, and understanding that profit is what makes everything successful in the end. Our role as the union is to make sure that workers are treated fairly and that we get a fair slice of the pie. Okay?